Thanks for stopping by for another episode of Western Roundup. Today we'll bring you news from Hanover, where a water system was commissioned. Then we'll hop over to St. James for a youth forum, followed by the launch of free Wi-Fi services in St. Anne. Stick around for the details. More residents of Hanover are now benefiting from access to potable water. That's thanks to the completion of Phase 2 of the Cascade Water Supply System. Valued at a cost of $150 million, the project serves Pondside and adjoining communities. The facility forms part of the $600 million water project by the National Water Commission, NWC, and the Rural Water Supply Limited, RWSL, which commenced in 2013.
If you do not have the water in your house and in your place of business and at your school that you require, it is a drought. This investment will end the drought that has affected Pondside. We're very proud this afternoon to commission this system, and we commit further to ensure that those, like the students of Merlinotty High, get the connections to this system to ensure that water, which is life, is a reality for you in your own pipe.
We are extremely happy. It's really a celebration for us. As you hear, we have not had water, running water in the pipes, if we had pipes, in this area for a long time. And so today is a very special day. And we are glad you are all here to celebrate with us.
The Universal Service Fund, USF, continues to be instrumental in providing free Wi-Fi access to citizens across the length and breadth of Jamaica. The latest area to benefit from free Wi-Fi service was Sentence Bay in St. Anne. At the recent launch, Portfolio Minister Darrell Voss commended the USF for its dedicated efforts in bridging the digital divide.
This launch in rural Jamaica is a significant milestone in the realm of connectivity and communication. Today we continue the journey to transform the way we live, work, and connect with each other. The Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport is honored to celebrate with you.
Students in the parish were also gifted tablets.
Connectivity to the World Wide Web is as important today as electricity was 30 years ago, as water has always been. It is normal in the developed world for our students to be connected. It is normal for our services to be digitized, and we have to step into that world in St. Anne.
At a forum over in St. James, students shared their thoughts on how the Child Protection and Family Service Agency, CPFSA, can better serve their needs. Improvements to the Ananda Alert system was among the topics discussed by students from 12 schools across St. James, Westmoreland, and Hanover.
The Ananda Alert system, to a great extent, is about the regular person being prepared and being armed with the knowledge as to how to initiate the alert going live. Because when it comes to missing children or children who are vulnerable, the early detection, the early initiation is what is really the most effective tool that we have to fight against child endangerment.
State Minister in the Ministry of Education and Youth, Marcia Smith, also encouraged students to provide feedback on ways to enhance the Ananda Alert system.
Don't take today lightly. It may not seem as if what you do will have an impact, but I'm telling you, it will. So participate fully and share with us what are the ways that you think that the Ananda Alert can be tweaked. If you have an idea, even if it sounds silly, put it out there.
That's all we have for you today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send us your feedback to jismabay@jis.gov.gm. Until next time, take care.